Assalamu alaikum students. This is the subject of Art and Design 1, Semester 1, BS1 Home Economics. Our today's lecture is about principles of design. The principles of design include harmony, proportion, balance, rhythm, emphasis. First of all, we will discuss that what is harmony. Harmony is an important principle of design which means coordination or relationship between all the elements of a design. This coordination and relationship should be in balance with one another. Harmony basically creates the feeling of oneness and unitedness among different elements and parts of an object. Proportion and scale refers to the relationship of various parts of design to one another and to the whole. Remember students that proportion seems to be similar like harmony, but it is different from harmony. Harmony creates the feeling of relationship, whereas proportion is creation of relationship practically and physically among all elements of a design or all elements of an object. Now the next is balance. Balance is the feeling of equilibrium. All elements and principles of design should be used in equilibrium or with a feeling of balance. It will make and appear your design to be more suitable for the purpose for which it is being made. Balance is of two types, formal balance and informal balance. Then comes rhythm. Rhythm is the easy flow of your eye movement from one part of the design till the last part of the design. This rhythm in a design can be created through continuous lines, repetition, progress gradation, radiation and alteration. Now the last but not the least principle of design is emphasis. Emphasis means to enhance a design, to enhance, to emphasize, to promote the whole design as a whole, and to emphasize, to promote and to focus on any one focal point of a design. Each object which has a design always has one focal point that should be emphasized very clearly to appear the design most suitable for the function for which it is being made and to satisfy the aesthetic sense of the user. At the same time, each and every design has one focal point as well as many sub-focal points, which should also be emphasized but not as higher level as the basic focal point should be. Now, how to emphasize a design? Emphasizing through repetition, emphasizing through size, emphasizing through contrast, emphasizing through arrangement, and emphasizing through a unusual or the unexpected method. Thank you, students.